guys, and welcome to Red Lipstick. So today I just want to share with you some updates coming to the channel, things I'm really excited about. New year, new changes. So first of all, I want to talk about the changes on the channel. So my goal for this year is to upload 3 days a week. I used to do this when I first started up my channel. I would upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Then I kind of fell off the bandwagon. It was never that I had lost interest in YouTube. It was just a combination of my chronic illnesses getting in the way. I got pregnant and I was very sick during my pregnancy. And now I have a baby. He's 6 months old and he takes up a lot of my time, obviously. And I work from home. I'm a full-time working mom. So it's not like I don't have another job to be doing. So unfortunately, YouTube took a place on the back burner, and that makes me sad because I really enjoy filming YouTube videos. I love talking to you guys. I miss you guys. Those of you who comment on my videos all the time, thank you so much. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate you. It means so much to me when people are so nice and so supportive of everything I put out there. So anyways, I really want to upload more. I want to do the 3 times a week. We'll see how that goes. I'm really optimistic about it and I think I can do it. I have lots of plans for video ideas that I'm going to be doing these 3 days of the week. I'm going to be doing tutorials. I'm going to be doing the standard tutorials that I've been doing, get ready with me, stuff like that. But I do really want to do some stuff that I've been wanting to do since I started my channel, which are more vintage tutorials, recreating makeup looks from influential people in the past. So I have a lot of ideas for that kind of stuff, and I really want to finally do that this year. Some other things that I want to add to the channel are more health and lifestyle videos. I am on the keto diet this year, so that was another thing I wanted to talk about. If you guys have not heard of the keto diet, I will delve into it in my keto diet video that will be coming out at the end of this month. I will be doing updates and all of that stuff, how I'm doing on it, some food that I eat, how much weight I've lost. So I did start to try the keto diet last month, in the beginning of December, and I did it for 2 weeks and then I got food poisoning. So unfortunately, the only thing that made me feel better were carbs when I got food poisoning. It was the only thing that was making my stomach settle down. So I ended up going off the keto diet until I got better, and then now I'm restarting again in January. So I did end up losing last month about, what was it, 17 pounds in the 2 weeks that I did it, which was amazing. My long-term goal for weight loss is 40 pounds. My realistic goal is 30 pounds. So I was like almost halfway to my 40-pound weight goal, which is amazing. So I need to go back on this keto diet and stick with it. So anyways, I'm very excited about this. I'm going to be incorporating more exercise as well, show you guys my workouts and stuff, along with the keto diet updates and all that good stuff. So I do want to incorporate again more fashion videos on my channel. I did some in 2016 after I had my surgery to remove the excess skin. But then I got pregnant and I didn't really feel comfortable doing videos with my baby bump. I don't know why. I had an adorable baby bump. Not to toot my own horn, that sounded awful. But I enjoyed being like pregnant. I enjoyed looking pregnant. And then once I had my baby, I had an excess of 30 pounds on me. So I didn't feel comfortable doing any tutorials or fashion videos last year. But this year, now that I'm getting into losing the weight, I do want to incorporate more of those. I also want to do a lot more reviews this year, a lot more foundation reviews and demos. If you guys know that foundation is my favorite part of makeup application. So I do love doing foundation reviews and demos, trying out new ones, absolutely love it. I aspire to be as awesome at it as the Taylor, if you're familiar with her. Her foundation videos are amazing. She does such a good job with them. So impressed by her. I will link her down below if you're interested in checking her out. Other than that, I have a ton more ideas. This year I want to do Halloween. I did not do Halloween last year, which was disappointing to me because Halloween is my favorite holiday. I just couldn't do it with my son and having to work and all that stuff. But we're getting more organized this year and I'm very excited to do that this year. So I'm going to start preparations early, probably in late summer, and I'm excited to have tutorials for you guys for this year. So I have a lot of ideas for this year. I'm very excited to get into them. If you guys have any specific video ideas for me that you would like me to do, let me know down in the comments section. Otherwise, I will just do what I plan on doing. I want my channel to be more about me, more about stuff that I want to make, content that I personally enjoy, or stuff that I'm excited about, like foundation. I get really excited about foundation, so I want to do those kinds of videos. So I am so excited for this year. I'm really looking forward to keeping myself on track and keeping myself accountable. I really just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers, everyone who supports me and is so positive on this channel. I really hope you guys enjoy this year and you have a wonderful 2018.